Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're talking about cleaning your PS5 the correct way. Many people accidentally damage their PS5 by cleaning it improperly. So we're going to show safe, real steps to clean your PS5 without causing problems. Start with your PS5 powered on normally so we can safely shut it down. On the PS5 controller, press the PS button to open the quick menu. Scroll to the power icon and select Turn off PS5. Not rest mode. Wait for all PS5 lights to fully turn off before touching it. Now unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of the PS5. Remove any HDMI cable connected to the PS5 as well. Carefully move the PS5 to a clean flat surface with space to work. We need to avoid common cleaning mistakes people make with their PS5. Do not spray cleaning liquids directly on your PS5. Do not use high-pressure compressed air pointed straight at the PS5 vents. This forces dust deeper inside the PS5 instead of removing it. Also avoid using a household vacuum directly against PS5 vents. Static electricity from vacuums can damage PS5 internal components. Instead, take a soft microfiber cloth and gently wipe the PS5 exterior. Wipe along the PS5 side plates to remove surface dust. Now look at the PS5 front air intake vents. Use a dry soft makeup brush or camera cleaning brush to loosen dust. Gently brush across the PS5 vents in small sweeping motions. Let the dust fall naturally rather than pushing it inward. Now check the PS5 rear exhaust vents. Again, use a soft brush to lightly sweep dust away from the openings. Hold the PS5 slightly angled so dust falls downward while brushing. Avoid using force. Slow brushing is more effective and safer for the PS5. Once dust is brushed loose, we can remove remaining dust safely. You may use a low-power handheld blower, but keep distance from the PS5 vents. Hold the blower at least 6 inches away from the PS5 and move it side to side. Short, gentle blasts help remove dust without forcing it deeper. Make sure you are blowing across the PS5 vents, not directly into them. Now we'll clean the PS5 USB ports on the front and back. Use a dry cotton swab to gently wipe inside each PS5 port. Rotate the cotton swab slowly without pushing inside too far. For stubborn dust, lightly brush the edges of the PS5 ports with a soft brush. Now check the PS5 power port. Ensure there is no debris or dust blocking the power connector. Gently brush around the PS5 power port if needed. Do the same with the PS5 HDMI port. Wipe the metal connection area carefully with a dry cotton swab. Now check the PS5 surface for fingerprints or smudges. Lightly dampen a microfiber cloth with plain water, not soaked. Wipe the PS5 exterior in smooth motions. Make sure no liquid seeps into the PS5 vents or ports. Allow the PS5 surface to air dry completely for a few seconds. Now inspect the PS5 vents again to ensure no dust remains. If dust remains, repeat gentle brushing and soft air sweeping. Do not rush. Slow cleaning protects the PS5 components. Once the PS5 looks clean, we can reconnect cables. Plug the power cable back into the PS5 rear power port. Plug the HDMI cable into the PS5 HDMI port. Make sure both cables are fully seated and not loose. Place the PS5 back to its original position with clear airflow around it. Avoid placing your PS5 inside a closed cabinet where heat gets trapped. Ensure your PS5 has at least a few inches of space around it. Now press the PS5 power button to turn the PS5 back on. Listen and confirm the PS5 fan sounds normal and quiet. This safe cleaning method helps your PS5 stay cool and last longer. Never clean your PS5 using direct compressed air or strong vacuums. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Like and subscribe for more PS5 fixes.